Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about fixing the error code 0x800488802, where you cannot forward or send emails using the Microsoft Mail app on your Windows 10 device. So this is going to be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and left click on that to open up the settings user interface. Basically it's just a shortcut to take us right where we want to go. And in the search this list field, you want to go type in mail and calendar. Best result should come back with mail and calendar. Go ahead and left click on that and select advanced options. You want to scroll down underneath where it says reset. If the app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select the reset button. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. And then once that's done, would suggest restarting your computer. Attempt to launch the mail and calendar app once again, and that should probably be able to resolve your problem. You can always try also uninstalling the app as well, and then going through the Microsoft Store and then reinstalling it and just searching for mail and calendar. It'll be listed as manufactured or made by the Microsoft Corporation, at which point you just go ahead. It should say developed by the Microsoft Corporation. Just go ahead and select that, install it, and then sync your email back up, and that'd be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.